Next thing I have here is the Monster Gratitude earphones, and these earphones are actually designed in conjunction with the band Earth, Wind, and Fire, who are one of my favorite bands actually. And I usually don't buy Monster products. I think they're pretty overpriced. But for these earphones, I read some online reviews, and it seems like they could be worth it actually. So let's take a look. Okay, look inside here. It says the Monster Gratitude celebration of real music. Reproduces intimacy, great live performance, super tips, unique rose gold finish. Control talk for call answering. Okay, I actually open this up right here. What do we get here? Inspired by music of Earth, Wind, and Fire, and you get dynamic, harmonic, musical stuff right here. Protected carrying case. Okay, you have so it's professionally, it's tuned by Earth, Wind, and Fire, so I guess it's good for like funk and jazz and stuff like that. Then you have in French right here for some reason. Don't know why. Did I get a Canadian model or something? Usually you don't get stuff in French and US. Anyways, let's look at this unboxing. I'm gonna take it out. I got these earphones, one, because I like Earth, Wind, and Fire. Secondly, because they look really cool. Okay, and here it is. Wow, this looks cool. Like this thing is all like, it's made of suede or something. It's really, really nice feeling right here. Gratitude. Here's the Earth, Wind, and Fire logo right here. Monster. And yeah, one of these reasons I have the Fender earphones already, but I don't like how the wires tangle a lot, and these contain tangle-free wires, and plus it looks pretty cool, so that's why I got this. And okay, what does it say here? Life is too short to listen to bad headphones. Yeah, I agree with that, I guess. Not that the headphones I had were bad before, but just wanted a different style. Alright, so here it is. Gratitude from Earth, Wind, and Fire right here. And you got this really classy looking case here. You have nice little leather pouch. Oh, come on. Alright. Yeah, it looks like a leather wallet actually. But it's actually just a pouch for the earphones. They look really nice. Very, very classy pouch actually. Yep, definitely don't mind carrying around this pouch. It's really nice and classy. Got a nice leather, it's got a nice like leather smell to it. I like the smell of leather, Monster. Okay, and I think previously Monster also released a pair of Miles Davis headphones, which I also kind of wanted to pick up, but then these ones were cheaper. I think these originally retailed for, I don't know, like around $200, but I got this really, really cheap on eBay. So I was like, I'm just gonna pick this one up. Okay, and here are the headphones themselves. Nicely packaged, by the way. I love the packaging on these earphones. Way better than the Fender packaging, which you guys can also see in my Pioneer XTP unboxing video. This packaging is really nice. Oh yeah. Oh, look what's down here. So we get nice little pamphlet here. Let's open that up. I got this for only 50 bucks, by the way, guys. It's pretty cheap for a pair of earphones of this caliber. And the packaging alone, I mean, wow. Definitely not like $50 level. Monster. Okay, I don't care about their cables and stuff. Don't really use that. I use Amazon basic cables, which are really good value. I don't think Monster cables are worth 40% or double the markup or something. Okay. Okay, this is just the manual here, but it looks really nice. Even the manual looks pretty nice, doesn't it? It looks almost like an album cover. And here are the ear tips, and there's a whole bunch of them. You can see right here. I have another pouch here. What was this then one? This was a carrying case? Okay, this was a carrying case. So I have another pouch here for carrying the headphones. Wow. So you got carrying case and a pouch right here. That's impressive. Gave us both. Usually you only get one. Well, I'm probably going to use the pouch then. And here you have so many different sizes of ear tips. You have 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Wow. I think you have 24 pairs here. That's really impressive. 24 pairs. I mean, you have 24 different earbuds right here, or 12 different pairs. Sorry, 12 pairs or 24 different fits here for your ears. That is the most I've ever seen on any earphone. Usually they only give you like 3 pairs, right? This one you get 12, so that's pretty awesome. You got, for every sized ear, I guess, you get one. So I have to carefully figure out which one's gonna fit me the best. Alright, I'm gonna look at the earphones themselves. They look really cool. They have a nice rose gold finish. Alright. Alright, finally did it. Here. Alright guys, so these are the gratitudes. There's no plus minus volume control here, but they're up, it's up here, okay. So here's the plus minus volume control. This one, and this one to pause and skip the track. Normally, I bet the microphone is in here as well. And yeah, look at how these earphones look. Really classy, actually. Really unique. Nice rose gold color right here. They say Monster on them. Although I wish it said Gratitude instead. But yeah, it says Monster on them. They have a really unique, oh, they do have Gratitude. It's just up here in little small letters, Monster in big letters. But yeah, they look really, really classy. And I like the cables, they're tangle free. So that's a lot better than my Fender earphones, which have the wires. It has little braided wires that really get tangled so easily. I hate that. So yeah, I'm gonna try these ones out. 50 bucks, man. That's a pretty good deal for this packaging. You get the leather pouch, leather carrying case, 12 different pairs of these ear tips here to fit your ears, and you get these nice headphones which look amazing. Very, very stylish. Alright, and classy. And I enjoy myself some nice Earth, Wind, and Fire. And alright, that's it. That's the unboxing for the Monster Gratitudes. This looks like the album cover. It's a nice suede finish right here. Okay, and so I'll be using these the next few days.